Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Maxima air filter. Begin by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood. Locate the air box near the engine, undo the clips or screws, and remove the old filter. Inspect the box for debris and wipe it clean. Install the new filter seated properly, replace the cover, secure clips, and close the hood. Test engine idle briefly for assurance. Here are the tools and parts you need to change a Maxima air filter: a replacement filter, flathead or Phillips screwdriver, shop rag, and gloves. Confirm the replacement filter matches your model and inspect packaging for damage. Keep a small container for clips and screws so nothing gets lost. Clean the air box interior gently with a rag and flashlight to spot debris. Having everything organized makes the swap fast and simple. Follow these step-by-step directions to replace the air filter quickly and safely. First, remove the air box cover by releasing clips or removing screws, then lift the cover carefully. Pull out the old filter and note its orientation for correct replacement. Inspect the intake for leftover debris and vacuum if needed. Place the new filter in the same orientation, resecure the cover, and test that clips or screws are tight before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.